Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to make your Power BI reports more interactive and user-friendly, today's tutorial is just for you. I'm going to walk you step by step through how to create a single value slider in Power BI. It's a really handy feature that lets viewers focus on just one specific value at a time, making data exploration much smoother and more precise. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up this type of slicer, and you'll be able to use it to create reports that not only look more professional, but are easier for your audience to understand and use. So let's jump straight in. First things first, go ahead and open up Power BI. If you're already familiar with Power BI, that's great, but if you're new here, don't worry. Just open the Power BI desktop on your computer. Give it a moment to load up your project or start a new one with the dataset you want to work on. You'll want to have the relevant data imported. In our case, we're going to focus on a column called quantity, but you can use this technique on any numerical data you want. Now, to create that single value slider, here's what you need to do. On your report canvas, go to your Fields pane and find the column that represents the values you want to filter. For this example, let's look for quantity. You might have columns like sales, number of transactions, or anything else that is measured numerically. Just pick the one that makes sense for your report. Once you locate quantity, click on it to select. Then look up in your visualizations pane and click the slicer icon. It looks kind of like a filter funnel, which is a good metaphor for what slicers do. They funnel your data down to just what you want to see. Don't rush through this part. Sometimes if you simply double-click the field, it might create a table or another visualization by default, but we want to make absolutely sure we're adding a slicer. If you pick the slicer visualization, Power BI will place a new slicer box on your canvas tied to whatever field you selected. Now here's the key bit. By default, Power BI typically sets the slicer to allow you to select multiple values or a range of values. But if you want a slider that only allows viewers to choose one value at a time, giving you that single value interactivity, you need to make a quick adjustment. This is really helpful when you want your audience to see exactly how a specific value impacts the rest of your report, rather than looking at a whole range. Just click on your slicer so it's selected, then take a look at the options menu. At the top right of the slicer visual, you'll see tiny icons. Click on the drop-down arrow and choose Single Select. That's it, your slicer now lets viewers slide to just one value, focusing in like a magnifying glass, and you're done. You've just created a single value slider in Power BI. Now your audience, or you if you're analyzing data yourself, can easily hone in on one particular value and instantly see the report update to reflect just that choice. It makes digging into your data so much clearer, whether you're exploring sales performance on a specific day or isolating a product's inventory level. If this part feels a little fast, don't worry, you can always pause and try each step on your report. Experiment with different columns and see how the single value slider changes the way you interact with your dashboards. Once you get the hang of it, you might find yourself adding sliders all over the place to unlock new insights. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Power BI tips and tutorials. See you next time.